Draupadi Murmu, the president, in her address in the parliament spoke about NEET irregularities and action on paper leaks. She says, rise above politics for a solution. President Murmu says that they will ensure NEET examinations will be conducted with absolute transparency. Investigation will be conducted where they will get to the bottom of the paper leak issue. Government will punish the paper leak culprits. Words of the president as she addresses the NEET controversy, saying the students' futures, of course, in their hands, and they are going to ensure transparent investigation. We'll get to the bottom of it, and also appeals to the opposition to work collectively to find a solution, to rise above politics. Here's what she said.
माननीय सदस्यगण, सरकार का ये निरंतर प्रयास है कि देश के युवाओं को अपनी प्रतिभा दिखाने का उचित अवसर मिले। सरकारी भर्ती हो या फिर परीक्षाएं, सुनिए, परीक्षाएं किसी भी कारण से इनमें रुकावट आए, ये उचित नहीं है। इनमें शुचिता और पारदर्शिता बहुत जरूरी है। हाल ही में कुछ परीक्षाओं में हुई पेपर लीक की घटनाओं की निष्पक्ष जांच और दोषियों को कड़ी से कड़ी सजा दिलवाने के लिए मेरी सरकार प्रतिबद्ध है। इससे पहले भी हमने देखा है कि कई राज्यों में पेपर लीक की घटनाएं होती रही है। इस पर दलीय राजनीति से ऊपर उठकर देशव्यापी ठोस उपाय करने की जरूरत है। संसद ने भी परीक्षा में होने वाली गड़बड़ियों के विरुद्ध एक सख्त कानून बनाया है। मेरी सरकार परीक्षाओं से जुड़ी संस्थाओं, उनके कामकाज के तरीके, परीक्षा प्रक्रिया सभी में बड़ी सुधार करने की दिशा में काम कर रही है।
Right, let me cut across to Maushmi joining us live for more on that. Maushmi, do tell us more, of course, if you could touch upon the NEET issue that was referred to by the president. She spoke about ensuring they're going to get to the bottom of this, asking the opposition to rise above politics, basically stop the political rhetoric and the backlash. Let's find a solution together to ensure students' future is secure. What more could you tell us on the controversies that revolved her speech?
Right, Nabila. So, of course, the paper leak issue was one of the highlights of the president's speech. Perhaps the government thinking it important and pertinent to mention a very, very sensitive issue in her speech. Remember that she did go on to highlight several achievements of the government, whereon she laid out how, policies that touched upon the poorest of the poor, women and youth, actually put India on a strong footing in the coming years ahead. But importantly, issues that raked up a lot of sloganeering by the opposition benches was when she spoke about privatization. On the other hand, she did raise the issue of the Constitution and how, there have been several attacks on the Constitution in the past, and we need to preserve the democratic principles. On that, there was a lot of jeering by the opposition, and especially, even as Mr. Dhankar read out her speech, the highlights of her speech in English, there was a point where, there was a lot of jeering in the opposition because both in English and Hindi, the highlight did mention about the emergency and how in 1975 the entire values of the Constitution came under attack. At that point, when Mr. Dhankar was talking about it and reading the speech in English, Kalyan Banerjee, in fact, pinpointed that he's talking about the emergency when he himself was in the Congress at that point of time. Remember, Mr. Dhankar is supposed to just read out the president's speech in English while Draupadi Murmu herself, the Honorable President, said it in Hindi. But there was a lot of jeering, and even Rahul Gandhi and other leaders, joined the chorus there when Kalyan Banerjee underlined that fact that Mr. Dhankar himself was in the Congress. On the other hand, issues like the achievements of the government, how they didn't reach the poorest of the poor, the opposition wanted to, in fact, sloganeered on that. But importantly, it was a full house. It was a joint session of the Lok Sabha and the Raj Sabha in the lower house of the new Parliament building, or of the Parliament building now, as it's called. And we could see that even as Draupadi Murmu, the president, spoke about majority, that her government had got majority. At that time, there was a lot of thumping and jeering from the opposition, thumping of tables from the ruling party, but the opposition, in fact, said there was no majority. So various issues, public issues that were highlighted by the president. Unlike in the past, the opposition point by point was very vocal when they had to oppose it, and that's perhaps the template that we will see, Nabila, this time round in the 18th Lok Sabha, where there will be a lot of tit for tat during discussions and deliberations.
Right. You know, we saw initially, right, when Draupadi Murmu, the president, spoke about the historic mandate for the NDA. It was then when we heard an uproar from the opposition. Give us more on the opposition at this point, coming together in large numbers. All right, we seem to have lost Maushmi's connection. But, well, we're going to take you through the bits of the controversy through the day today. The president's address, of course, is our top focus. The story that is, of course, coming in is the president promising NEET intervention, asking politicians to rise above politics and come up with a solution to ensure the students' future is secure. As we continue tracking that,